Asexual reproduction of Marsilia done by the spores. Asexual reproduction occurs on the sporophytic plant and occurs on the special structure called sporocarp. The sporocarps are fruit-like structures. They are developed on the sporophyte. They developed on the sporophyte. They are attached on the lower part of pedicel. They look like a fruit-like structure. At early stage, the fruit-like structures or sporocarps are green in color. At adult stage, the sporocarp turn into black color. If they turn into black color, they look like a pepper-like structure. They look like a pepper-like structure. When they turn into pepper-like structure, at the matured stage, the sporocarp turn into black color. We clearly identified if turn into black color, it is in matured condition. If it is in green color, it is in young age. If turn into black color, it is in adult stage or it is in the matured condition. If we observed HLS of sporocarp, HLS means horizontal longitudinal section. Horizontal longitudinal section of sporocarp. Horizontal longitudinal section of sporocarp shows mainly sporocarp wall. The sporocarp wall made by 3 different layers. Outer layer and inner layers are made by sclerenchymatous tissue and middle layer made by chlorenchymatous tissue. The chlorenchymatous tissues are presented outside of the outer layer. They are participated in the photosynthesis to prepare food material. So it is alive condition during the 100 years. Up to 100 years it is in living condition without attached with the sporophyte of Marsilia. Then it connected with the sporophyte one long stalk-like structure called pedicel. And below the sporocarp wall, cavities like structures are present. The cavities, chambers. The chambers are called sorus. Between the two sorus, one empty space is present is called indusium. The indusium is attached with the sporocarp wall. Indusium attached with the sporocarp wall. Above the indusium, sorus is present. If we observe each sorus, it covered by wall, sorus wall. Below these sorus, each sorus, 3 sporangiums are present. The 3 sporangiums, from these 3 sporangiums, 2 sporangiums are microsporangiums and 1 sporangium is megasporangium. They are attached on the stalk-like structure called indusium. The microsporangiums are opposite. They are arranged on the opposite manner. Each microsporangium chamber covered with endoepidermis. Below the epidermis, tapetum layers are present. Below the tapetum layer, microspore mother cells are present. The tapetum layer main function supplies food material to the microspores. The microspores are participated in the reduction or meiotic division. They develop into microspores, haploid microspores. At the same time, above these 2 microsporangiums, 1 megasporangium is present in the sorus. The megasporangium also covered by epidermis. Below the epidermis, tapetum is present. The tapetum main function supplies food material to the megaspore mother cells. And below the tapetum layer, megaspore mother cells are present. The megaspore mother cells are participated in the reduction or meiotic division. They develop into haploid megaspores. At matured condition, microspores mother cells, megaspore mother cells participated in the reduction or meiotic division. They develop into haploid spores. They called microspores, megaspores. During the matured condition, the gelatinous structure is present. The gelatinous ring-like structures are present in the sporocarp. They are present at the 2 regions. The gelatinous structures are containing gelatinous chemical. They are enlarged and the pressure on the sporocarp wall. By this pressure, sporocarp wall is broken and the haploid microspores, haploid megaspores comes out from the sporocarp. Haploid microspores develop into male gametophytic thallus of Marsilia. Haploid megaspores develop into female gametophyte of Marsilia. Again, they participated in the sexual reproduction.